Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Nkululeko Kushane. I am the founder and director of NWJ Accountants. NWJ Accountants is an accounting firm based in Kimberley. We do accounting, tax, and advisory services. I started the business because I saw that there's a huge gap, especially small, medium, and micro enterprises. There's a gap whereby they suffer with their finances. They don't have financial systems. So we come in and then we assist SMMEs with their financial systems, and then we assist them with their finances, and then we also teach them financial literacy. Services that we provide, we do preparation of annual financial statements, we do bookkeeping, we do CSD registrations, we do income tax submissions, we do EMP 501 submissions, we do EMP 201 submissions. So we do a broad range of services under the umbrella of accounting, tax, and advisory. You can get hold of me. My contact number is 067-267-3045. Our email address is info@NWJ Accountants. We also have a website. Our website is www.nwjaccountants.co.za. Hi, my name is Nkululeko Kushane, and I am a township entrepreneur.